Okay, so this is how to cold start a race bike, because some of these race bikes, the newer four-strokes, are harder to start, but it's easier to start if you have the jetting right on it. So first, you want to do is you turn on the choke, and then sometimes with this bike I don't really need to, but sometimes with the bigger bikes you can give it like a primer kick, where you just pull it down slowly or kick it down slowly, and then you give it a couple of turns, about 3 turns, and then you kick it. And it usually takes a couple kicks. You just turn it a couple times before you kick it, and then sometimes you can pull hot start right here. It's next to the clutch. Pull that in, it lets more oxygen in.